How long do I cook a turkey per pound in the oven?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle a common question that pops up every Thanksgiving, Christmas, or whenever a roasted turkey is on the menu. How long do I cook a turkey per pound in the oven?
The basics of cooking a turkey.
When cooking a turkey, you need to consider a few variables: the weight of the bird, whether it's stuffed or not, and the cooking temperature. Today we'll be focusing on an unstuffed turkey cooked at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius. For a turkey under 16 pounds, estimate about 15 minutes per pound. For turkeys between 16 and 20 pounds, estimate slightly less with about 13 minutes per pound. If your turkey weighs more than 20 pounds, you should estimate about 12 minutes per pound.
Tips for a moist and juicy turkey.
There are a few tricks that can ensure your turkey stays moist and juicy. First, don't skip the step of letting your turkey rest after removing it from the oven. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the bird. Let your turkey rest for at least 20 minutes before carving. Another key point is to check the internal temperature. Using a meat thermometer, check the thickest part of the breast and the innermost part of the thigh and wing. Your turkey is ready when the temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. And there you have it. Now you know the basics of how long to cook a turkey per pound in the oven. Remember, the times are estimates, and the best way to tell if your turkey is done is by checking the internal temperature. So, grab your roasting pan, your turkey, and let's get cooking. I hope this guide helps you in making the juiciest and tastiest turkey ever.